So these are the two bands, Honor Band 6 and Mi Band 6. Now both of them have very similar display, AMOLED display, auto workout detection, stress detection, etc. and yet different in terms of small features. So you've seen me wearing and testing them for more than a month now. So the question that has to be asked is, should you buy the Honor Band 6 or wait for the Mi Band 6 launch? Or more importantly, what's the best fitness band in India? Well, this is Prateek. You are watching TechWiser and the short answer is Mi Band 6 and there's a couple of reasons for it. Let's go.
Whoa! Hold on right there. Since the last time a lot of you weren't able to get their hands on the unreleased Mi Band 6, we are doing a giveaway again. We are giving away 3 Mi Band 6 and 3 Honor Band 6 this time around. All you have to do is follow us on Twitter and links to that is in the description.
Before we jump into the comparison, you might have known Honor also released Honor Band ES around 5,000 rupees and now it's out of stock, discontinued. So Honor Band 6 can be considered as a light version of Honor Band ES. They cut down on features like display size, automatic brightness sensor and video based workouts. Anyways, moving on to the Mi Band 6. So these are the specs difference between them, and apart from the display size, there's not much to differentiate between them. But hey, you're not here for specs. You can read them on Amazon as well. So we'll talk about the day-to-day experience of both the fitness bands. This is what you will feel when you buy any one of those fitness bands. So first up, straight up the display. Now first, when I unboxed the Mi Band 6, I thought this fitness band had the best display. The new Mi Band 6 comes with 1.56 inch of AMOLED display and the Honor Band 6 has 1.47 inch AMOLED display. Remember, the display is measured diagonally, so the Honor Band 6 display in reality is much bigger. But damn, once you start using the Honor Band 6 display, Mi Band 6 feels smaller. I really like this tall, long fitness band display style Honor has gone for. In case you feel it would look weird on your hand, don't worry, it looks super normal. Most importantly, because of the bigger display, you can see fonts bigger. So suppose if you're making a transaction on your laptop and you get an OTP on your band, here, see side by side, it's much easier to read on the Honor Band 6 than Mi Band 6. Even during workout, it's way easier to see information on the Honor Band 6 due to this tall and bigger display. Now, the Mi Band 6 has really improved with the menu. You get that scroll animation on the menu. And I use my band often to set a timer. Like I have put milk to boil and set a timer for 3 minutes. So I get informed when the job is done. I use the timer a lot. Now the Mi Band 6 has added a small vibration feedback when you change the time on the timer. Like listen to it. I liked it. More haptic feedback in the menu, please. So overall, the Honor Band 6 has a better display due to the size, and that also makes using the menu and reading text easier. And now the real deal. How does it perform in fitness? Well, I've been using the bands for a month, Mi Band 6 on my left hand and Honor Band 6 on my right hand. In terms of step count, I noticed a general trend. The Honor Band 6 always overestimates my step count. It's always 20 to 25% more than what Mi Band 6 shows. Well, there's a reason for it. The Huawei Health app uses both the phone and the Honor Band 6 to measure your step count. So this way, it doubles up the step count and messes up the entire data. This is a general complaint on the Huawei forum as well, and still no fix is issued. So the step count is always 20-30% more on the Honor Band 6. Same is the case with running as well. If I run about 5 kilometers in real life, the Mi Band 6 will show 4.9 and the Honor Band 6 will show 5.1. And that's consistent for the entire month. Now there's one more problem with the Honor Band 6. It never connects to my phone's GPS. In case you don't know, fitness bands have a feature called Connected GPS. Connected GPS lets your fitness band use your smartphone's GPS to track your workout or run. So Honor Band 6 never connects to the phone's GPS. You have to start it manually on the phone, which defeats the purpose of using a fitness band. Now, in terms of display, Honor Band 6 is better, while in terms of fitness and accuracy, Mi Band 6 is better. Now, what about sleep accuracy? Like, sleep is also an important part of fitness tracking, right? And there was a time when Honor Bands have the best sleep tracking in fitness bands, but times have changed. The Mi Band 6 has really caught up. So the sleep tracking on both Mi Band 6 and Honor Band 6 is pretty much the same. There's one small glitch. The Mi Band 6 at times rarely shows that I'm awake. It's very occasional and I'm sure I don't sleepwalk. So there's a glitch on the Mi Band 6. Now both the bands detect oxygen levels during sleep and can also detect daytime naps. A quick disclaimer, these are not medical devices, so if you see low oxygen levels, please verify it again with a pulse oximeter before you consult a doctor. For the daytime naps, I don't sleep during the day, so I can't verify that, but it's good for people who work in night shifts or sleep during the day. And for all these activities and bigger display, the Honor Band 6 has a bigger battery. It has a bigger 180 mAh battery, whereas the Mi Band 6 has a small 125 mAh battery. The Mi Band 6 with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, 4 workouts a week lasts easily for 1 week, whereas the Honor Band 6 goes 10 days on the same workload. Additionally, you also get auto workout detection and stress detection in both the watches. In my testing, auto workout detection never worked for me. Workout detection starts 4 to 5 minutes after you start working out on both these bands, and they are never accurate. So for me, accuracy matters, and I always start the workout manually once I am starting the workout. One small little feature that the Mi Band 6 has is reply to calls via SMS. So if you're busy to pick up your phone or talk, you can just swipe up and reply via SMS. It's quick and you can edit the message templates on the phone. And you can never forget third-party app support on Mi Band. There's a lot of videos that we have done on Mi Band tips and tricks. Let us know if you want an updated one. But here's a small demo. So via an app called Notify for Mi Band, I've set this customization. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I tap on the play pause button and voila.
Resuming the latest episode, The Race for Your Dollars.
I have Alexa, stop. I have my favorite podcast playing on the Echo Dot. Sweet. And this is the start of customizations you can do with Mi Bands. Now to summarize, for me, both Honor Band 6 and Mi Band 6 are close. The Honor Band 6 is a bit better in terms of display, battery and charging, and the Mi Band 6 is better in accuracy, performance and third-party apps. But the real difference starts when you talk about money. Listen carefully. Honor Band 6 has launched in India for 4,000 rupees, and that's a lot of money for a fitness band. When you ask that much money, you sort of go in the kind of smartwatch territory in India. You get Realme Watch S, BIP U Pro for that amount of money, which have GPS, auto brightness sensor, and most importantly, even bigger display than this, which will give you the feel of a proper watch. So no, I wouldn't spend 4,000 on Honor Band 6. On the other hand, Mi Band 6 as per the global pricing is around 2,500 to 2,800, which is really good pricing for the Mi Band 6. I'll recommend the Mi Band 6 if it's priced under 3,000 rupees. And Mi Band 6 might come in late August or start of September 2021. A quick update, since Huawei and Honor are two different companies, Huawei Band 6 is also launched in India at 4,500 rupees. Both the bands are almost similar with only two differences. Huawei Band offers 24/7 SpO2 monitoring and 96 workout modes. In my opinion, not worth the 500 rupees. So that was the conclusion. Although Honor Band 6 seems a bit better than Mi Band 6, pricing is way off. If it gets in sale around 3,000 rupees, then and only then you can consider it, and otherwise it's the Mi Band 6 for me. On that note, this is Prateek. See ya pretty soon.